Hey guys, Rick's Fix here. We're talking about our solar array that we built just about 2 years ago. Uh, we want to talk about what it costs, uh, how much energy it produces, what it takes to maintain this, payoff time, and other benefits that come along that we'll talk about later in the video. What we're trying to do with this video is inform everyone out there, because when we were doing this, we didn't have anyone to glean information from. A lot of people have solar arrays and solar farms, and a lot of people just don't know anything about them, so you can't get any reliable information from them. We're trying to give you real numbers uh, over time that we've experienced. This is our 12,800 watt array that we built. Um, each panel is 400 watts, and we have 32 panels. It's approximately 53 feet long, if I remember correctly. The actual output of this array is 10,600 watts, and we have this facing directly south, and it's tilted at 31 degrees for our latitude here in East Texas. A few of the challenges that we face here that may be unique and that you don't have to face is, as we face directly south on our property, we have the morning sun that comes up over here, and these trees block the morning sun from hitting our array. If it was an open field, it would be collecting way more energy. The same thing in the evening as it travels across, it gets behind these trees over here, and we lose a substantial amount of energy. So that's part of our loss that we have here, but we don't want to take our trees down. The cost of this project, after the rebate from the government of 30%, and not counting the battery because it will never pay for itself, so we don't want to count that in the how long it will take this to pay off, is $23,450. This array is creating 62% of the energy that we use in our home. It's not a full offset, but it's a very substantial chunk, and it really reduces our bill. You need to check into your local rules from your electrical provider to see if they will allow you to push your surplus energy back into the grid. Some will and some won't. Our current situation is we pay 11 cents per kilowatt hour that we use from the grid, and they pay us 9 cents per kilowatt hour for everything that we push into the grid, which is a very fair price. That's the same price that they pay all electrical generation stations, no matter the size. So the answer to the question, is solar worth it? We're looking at about a 16-year payoff on our material investment. We're not counting our labor investment, and this is after the federal rebate. About a 16-year payoff. That is if our equipment holds up for that long, and we don't have a major hailstorm, which, by the way, we have had 3 and it survived. The other factor in is it worth it is the emotional factor and the security of having backup power all the time. When our grid goes down, we don't even know it. Our clocks don't reset, our lights don't flicker. The only way we know that it goes down is if the street light outside goes out. So we've given you all of our data. We believe that this investment was definitely worth it to us. The things that you have to decide is how much energy will it produce for you percentage-wise in your home, what your climate is like versus ours in East Texas, how much of the sky is available to you versus how much is available to us, and see if the math works out for you. We really hope that this video has helped you, because we weren't able to find any of this information online or on YouTube. Please like and subscribe, because we have a lot of ideas for future videos about this project.